Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing two things: the exact email address and a private browsing session to avoid cached results. Once done, visit at least 2 compromise check sites and enter your email. This gives quick visibility into known breaches. Meanwhile, open a search engine and build queries using quotes and cite operators to find indexed mentions. Make sure to note variations of your address and common misspellings, because attackers or services sometimes list altered forms. Now dig deeper with reverse lookup and people search tools to map where that email appears publicly. Once done, search social platforms, forums, paste sites, and the web archive using exact match queries to capture older or hidden listings. Make sure to inspect each hit. Identify whether the address appears in a public profile, comment, or data dump. Also open your email provider's security and sign-in history to review unknown logins and connected apps, because these show how your address is being used. Finish by remediating. Request deletions for public listings, update compromised passwords, and enable multi-factor authentication across accounts. Once done, register alerts on breach monitoring services and add your address to a password manager so you can quickly rotate credentials. Consider migrating critical services to a new email if exposure is severe. If you encounter inconsistent or missing results, retry searches with address variants. Try alternative breach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.